Right. Right. First question. Precious, first question. Right. Zikuti chipa na. If the bearing of P from Q, this is okay. If the bearing of P from Q, apa this is here. Kalanguage kachu kepa bearing. If the bearing of P from Q is 0.54, ndizo. Saka naka namba kanyo 0.54, ndio yatambuta tikati ninge kanyirwa in 3 figure bearing, ndizo ka? I 3 figure bearing kana peka 0 something. Ikasaka 0 kutanga kukoze number. That's 3 figure bearing, ndizo ka? Kana ili compass bearing inonyo north south kana south inonyo letters ya ndizo ipaka no point. Find the bearing of Q from P. Yet the bearing of P from Q is 0.54. Now we have Q from 1, Q from P. Right. So what's important here is if the bearing of P from Q is an 0.54. This okay? From we go where there is from when dealing with the bearing. This okay? Right. So if the bearing of P from Q from Q, this okay? From total from, that's the keyword you have to understand na ipa this okay? From taona from takuita say takudraw aji north ndizo okay? Tadraw north pana takuita say anzi from the bearing of P from one Q anzi kwanzi from ndo takunyira pana apa ndizo okay? Tana ni Q ka uzanzi from Q ka takunyira Q apa ndizo okay? Takubata north yedu pana. We always move clockwise in a clockwise direction. This is okay. Mafambele watch you have to famba now. Saka so, tikapata pana. So how many degrees? 54. This is okay. Asi hapa ni how many degrees ah? Kwani mangana degrees mangana? Pa 90 degrees this is. Saka tuno estimate. Saka hapa ni 90 up. Chase ni 90. Zero ta half ya iji 45. This is okay. Saka ni 45 zero tufana the free 45 is your man this is. 45 ratio man ndizo ka saka apa ndo pane chi apa 54 kwero kuna line iroro kuno futi cardinal iri kweko ndizo ka ndo kuna ani letter ripo ndo kuna P iri north ndizo ka era draw pana apa that the bearing of P from an Q which is 54 degrees ndizo ka. Now we are asked to find the bearing of Q from P. We go where there is from. Now from Agubi. From P. P are going to go. Sakatubata Nutian. Ya P. We move clockwise direction. To think of the line kuna Q. We want to find how many degrees are. Dizo. Each and I stated the name reddish. Turn out how many degrees. Munofuza kutoa na say ma degrees hapa. Tunangata wane hapa. Saka if first way tunokuna kutanga tambo wane hapa na pandizo. As remember kuti kutika either angle 54 plus this one. They are supplemented. Those are two supplements ndizo. Either 54 plus hapa we should get 180 ndizo. Saka zero kuti this one is the supplement of 54. To get this we say 180 minus 54. 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. Ndizo ka? Tuona chi? If we subtract tuona chi hapa? Hii 10 ka? 6 ka? Hapo tupo 1 ka? Pana 6 ka? Pana na 2, hapana na. Sasa zote hapa hichi ya 126 degrees. Ndizo ka? Saka zote ukutokona sio. 360 g 360 minus 120 hapa 10 ka hapa 4 ka ndizo ka saka hapa 4 hapo hapa hapa 6 minus 2 tuona 4 we are subtracting 3 minus 1 2 ndizo ka saka hapa hapa chia 244 ndizo ka saka we atope na rows toshika funayo kai yaona kuti if 244 degrees ndizo Zimwe dzenguva unogona kuona ubvaona kuti we can use this method yekuti akatasvaga panapa tosubstitute kuti wane uku ndizvo panambo zvoonai kuti iyi we can apply the law yemaZ angle. Ichi chinobva apa chobva apa ndizvo choda ichi chodzoka apa 54 apo akafanana neyo panapa ndizvo apa 954 apo iyi straight line kai ina how many degrees? Saka kunongoti 180 plus 54 is to get 244. I second way ndizvo. Saka zviri kuti bearing yatiri kuda panapa, bearing yedu yatiri kuda panapa ichi inoita pani? Inoita chi 244 degrees. Right, let's move on to the next question here. Apa calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon, isn't it? Calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon. Ndizvo ka? Kana ichi regular polygon inenge yakamira sei? Regular polygon, all sides are equal ndizvo, all sides and all angles they are equal ndizvo ka? That's the regular polygon, all sides and all angles are equal. So calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon with interior angles of 162 each. Pa draw a shape, i shape yatinayo panapa ndizvo ka? A shape yatiziva kuti shape yacho i shape rudzi. Saka pane shape iyi yatiziva kuti shape rudzi tobva takuziva kunzi ma-angles ese mukati macho akasiyana iwawo, imwe neimwe inotora 162 ndizvo. Saka zvireva kuti for us to come up with the number of sides togona kushandisa formula yekutsvaga the size of each interior asi tinayo ndizvo. Kana ona kuti iyo inogona kuremera ndizvo ka, ndiyo yatoti chiyo ndiyo yatowanza kuti 180 multiplied by n minus 2 over n ndizvo ka. Chepadenga chete ichi we are finding the sum of interior angles ndizvo ka. Ukazviona by n wakutsvaga the size of each over is equal to 162 degrees. Unosvika kuanswer wotsvaga n ndizvo. Asi mwangu kuti ma n angozonesa tinogona kuzondomera chinhu ichi ndizvo ka. Togona kushandisa imwe alternative. Takapirwa interior 162 each ndizvo ka. Ko exterior toiona sei? Exterior toiona sei? Kana chiti interior tirewe tinoona kuti isusu tine shape yakaita sekuti ishape ngati shape yakamira kadai ndizvo, chakamira chakadai, tikadzika takadai up. Iyi interior totsvaga sei exterior kuno? Interior tinayo ndisi 162 ko exterior toiona sei exterior? Uyu ndi 162 mukati ko kunze iyi straight line. Saka toti isusu 162 from 180 ndizvo bo straight line kai. Right, saka zvorova tikati 180 minus 162 tona chi 180 degrees minus 162 towana chi totaka kutsvaga exterior. Apa 10 ka, apo 8 ka, apo 7 ka, apo 1 ka, saka 18 ndizvo. Right, so from there apo tobva taita sei panapa takuongorora kuti isusu taona kuti the interior angle, the size of exterior angle is 18. So from 18 takuti isusu for us to find the exterior, the size of each exterior tikuti isusu 360 divided by n. Right, so 360 divided by n is equal to exterior now already. So now takuti isusu 360 divided by n is equal to 18 cross multiplication. So 18n is equals to 360. To find n, we divide both sides by 18. So n now is equals to 20.